Hey there everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare AMERITRADE and interactive brokers. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about account opening, if they have any inactivity fee, withdrawal fees. Then I will talk also about markets and products, like what they actually offer, customer service and safety of both of these brokers. So let's start. Like if they would go bust, you know how it works. Now, fees. Interactive brokers is much expensive comparing to AMERITRADE, and let me show you why. When you go in the interactive brokers fees, you can see right here that the options are same. Okay, options is completely same as AMERITRADE, 0.65 per contract if you want to trade options. But if you go to the, let me show you, the UK and US and German stock, you can see it by yourself that you gotta pay fees. In AMERITRADE, it's completely for free. This is the same with the Robinhood and also with like Webull and others, that they have free stock and ETFs, and this is huge. So if you want to buy actually stocks and ETFs, I would recommend going with the AMERITRADE. Now options, it doesn't really matter. There's like up to which application you prefer. And now let's continue. The next thing which I personally don't like about interactive brokers is inactivity fee. Inactivity fee in interactive brokers is that you're gonna pay $10 of commission every single month to interactive brokers if you have above $2,000 in your account. If you got below 2,000, you're gonna pay again $20. Now, if you have above 100,000, you're gonna pay $10. So this is important. The other thing, what you can do, like how you can, like, okay, when you would say that I want to use, Marcus, I want to use interactive brokers. What you can do is you can do like trading through the TradeStation Global. And you don't pay any fee at all. Any inactivity fee with TradeStation Global, and it's directly connected to interactive brokers. So it's really cool idea to do. Check it out. I made a lot of videos on this topic. It's good choice to go for TradeStation Global to miss inactivity fee. Now let's continue to markets and products. Markets and products, interactive brokers is dominating in this field, like in the whole world. They have CFD, they got crypto, they get many more markets comparing to AMERITRADE. When you can see right here, interactive brokers, 78 stock markets, ETFs 13,000, AMERITRADE 5 on the stock markets, and ETF 2,300. So if you're someone who wants to invest in a foreign markets, I definitely recommend going with interactive brokers instead of AMERITRADE. Now, to compare the UX and UI design of both of these platforms, AMERITRADE is completely winning. They have both demo accounts, so you can test it by yourself. The education is both good in these platforms, but AMERITRADE is winning. It's much easier to understand, it's much easier to use, and it's much more effective comparing to interactive brokers. I mean the desktop platform and also web platform, but that's just my opinion. Learn by yourself, test it by yourself, and you will see by yourself. Now, customer service, both of these platforms is okay. Phone support, live chat, fast response time. Safety, again, both of these platforms are all right. Banking, AMERITRADE has a banking background. Interactive brokers are going to pay like up to 85,000 if they would go bust. Now, AMERITRADE, let me show you, is 500,000. So they are both safe. They are both good. Like if you're gonna choose interactive brokers or AMERITRADE, you're not going to make any mistake. It's not like you're gonna choose Ether or Webull, which is like worse in my opinion comparing to AMERITRADE, or even Revolut, right? These are good choices. To summarize this whole video, if you want to use free stocks and free ETF, go with the AMERITRADE. But if you want to, I don't know, invest to foreign markets and you have a stomach for tough trading platforms, go with the interactive brokers. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.